The Dashaway ECT can be made up either as a single bed like this, with the other seat left in place, or as you'll see in a minute, it makes up as a large double as well. For the double bed, we need to lift up the offside shelf and put the microwave on the front shelf. It's important to note that when we're travelling on the road, the sleeping bag and pillows all stay up in this laid out position, so you don't have to transfer them from your car. It's particularly useful with a double bed in particular to have the awning at the back and put the Porta Potti outside there.